Hello beauties, Izini here. Thanks so much for clicking on my channel. And to my old subscribers, thanks for always coming back. And to my new ones, I love you all. I'm so sorry for not being consistent for a while now. I've been so busy with work. But don't worry, I'm fully back with a lot of simple, fancy hairstyles to show you guys. As you can see in the video, the hair cream applied on my baby's hair is actually made by me. It softens hair and also makes hair to grow so fast. I'll be uploading a video on how to make the hair cream soon. So this hairstyle is very easy to make. It doesn't take time at all. It took me 30 to 1 hour to make the hair because I was actually in a hurry to meet up for a friend's, party. And I wanted my girl to look so cute, and she got a lot of compliment though. To be frank with you guys, I'm not professional when it comes to hair making. I'm just a mom who likes to create simple but fancy hairstyles on my kids' hair. So this channel is majorly for beginners like me who wants to learn just simple but cute hairstyles. Together, we can become professional someday. So if you want to see new, simple hairstyles from me, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already, and turn on the notification icon to be notified each time I release a video. So for the meantime, I'm gonna be, playing music while you relax and watch.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 나나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. 잊었다 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Stay with